In this video, we want to show you how to make popcorn with Cadbury chocolate flavor. On the popcorn pack you can see the preparation duration. It is depending on your microwave's power settings. This is a quick and delicious way to combine Cadbury chocolate bars with microwave popcorn. Here we gonna take Cadbury Wispa Aerated chocolate bar and cut it into small pieces. You can take as many chocolate bars you like. It depends on you how many you want to use. In this video we will combine 3 different Cadbury chocolates. Number 2 is Cadbury Dairy Milk Caramel Nibbles. Let's cut them into pieces too. Can you see the caramel filling? The third and last chocolate bar is Cadbury Double Decker with nougat stuffed. Let's cut this one into small pieces. Now let's watch how to prepare the popcorn snack. These instructions are mostly the same for every microwave popcorn. When the popcorn is almost done, take the pack out and open it. Put the chocolate into the popcorn bag. Now, seal it and shake it well to mix the chocolate with the popcorn. Put the popcorn pack back into the microwave for a few more seconds to let it melt a bit. You can shake a bit more if you want. Be careful, the chocolate can still be hot. The chocolate is evenly spreaded inside the popcorn. Some popcorn is coated with chocolate. You can find popcorn covered with chocolate, and even big chocolate pieces in between the popcorn. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.